Have you ever entered the bathroom at night and suddenly noticed water bugs in the toilet bowl? Even after regular cleaning, these insects sometimes keep appearing again and again. Most people think it is only a hygiene issue, but in many homes, the real reason is hidden deep inside drains, moisture zones, and sewer connections. Now let's check out where these bugs actually come from, why toilets attract them, and the practical ways to stop them before the problem gets worse. Most water bugs stay hidden inside damp drain areas during the daytime. At night, they become more active and start moving through bathrooms and plumbing spaces in search of moisture and food residue. And when you suddenly switch on the bathroom light, the insects become immediately visible inside the toilet bowl or near drains. This is why many people notice water bugs in toilet bowl mostly during nighttime hours. In many cases, water bugs are not randomly entering the bathroom. They may travel through connected drain systems and sewer pipelines. If there are hidden gaps near plumbing areas, damaged seals, or unused drains nearby, the chances of seeing water bugs in toilet bowl become much higher. Most water bugs are nocturnal insects. They avoid bright light and human activity. At night, bathrooms become quieter, cooler, and darker, making it safer for them to move out from drains and hidden spaces. Sometimes the toilet bowl is not the actual source. The insects may be hiding nearby and only appearing inside the bowl occasionally. Carefully inspect areas around the toilet base, floor drains, sink pipelines, and wall cracks. If you repeatedly notice water bugs at night, along with foul drain smells or increasing dampness, it may indicate a growing infestation somewhere inside hidden plumbing zones. The first step is moisture control. Water bugs depend heavily on damp environments. Try to keep bathroom floors dry, improve ventilation, and avoid standing water near the toilet area. Organic buildup inside drains can attract insects. Regular drain cleaning helps remove hidden food residue in slime layers where bugs often survive. Even a tiny opening near plumbing lines can become an entry point. Inspect pipe gaps carefully and seal unnecessary openings using waterproof sealants. Some natural methods may help reduce insect activity temporarily. Neem oil sprays, peppermint solutions, and vinegar-based cleaning can help discourage bugs from staying near damp bathroom areas. Many people only spray insect killers inside the bathroom, but the hidden source remains active. Unless moisture, drain hygiene, and entry points are controlled together, water bugs may continue returning. If you keep seeing water bugs in toilet bowl, do not panic. In most cases, the issue can be reduced significantly by controlling moisture, cleaning drains properly, and sealing hidden entry points early. The faster you identify the source, the easier it becomes to prevent a larger infestation later. If this video helped you understand the real causes behind water bugs in toilet bowl, then do like, share, and subscribe for more practical home hygiene and pest control videos. And let me know in the comments, do these bugs appear near your toilet, sink, or floor drain most often?